Hi, this is Architect Joshua Salvador. I am a contractor and an architect, and I'm doing some vlogs about construction. So ano ba yung nararanasan ng mga contractors and architects on our daily life? Kung ano yung mga nararanasan nating problema at saka yung mga difficulties sa construction. Saka dapat matutunan ng public na hindi alam or kailangang malaman ng public. So we are doing design and build services. So nga paninayin namin is SLBDR Construction. We are based in Nueva Ecija, Cabanatuan City, and nearby municipalities and cities. So today, andito tayo sa isa sa mga project natin. Ito sa Talavera, Nueva Ecija. This is a sports complex project. So this project will have 8 pickleball indoor courts. Meron din tayong golf simulator and fitness gym and many more. So stay tuned sa mga mangyayari pa dito sa project na to. So this will be located in Talavera, Nueva Ecija. If you are familiar with Crystal Waves, so beside lang to. So this is the Crystal Waves Event Center. This is the Crystal Waves Resort. So malapit lang siya. Pero mainly, ang magiging use talaga ng sports complex na to is pickleball. So as we all know, pickleball is one of the rising sports as of today. But unlike other courts, yung mga pickleball courts na indoor ay ginagawa or nilalaroan sa isang warehouse which is not intended for a pickleball courts. So what I mean is, yung pickleball court from a warehouse na ginawa, na convert into a pickleball court is merong malaki, merong maluwang, merong makipot, and so on. In this case, itong project na to is dahil intended siya for a pickleball court, talagang well planned siya with Architect Jessa San Pedro, the architect and designer of this project. Talagang standard size yung gagawin natin. Bale, nag-start yung project na to nung March. We are currently on our 3rd week. So, maganda yun na may development and lahat is naka-timeline naman. So, expecting kami without unreasonable delay. I mean, sana matapos namin hanggang October. So, we're actually doing videos like this for the first time. Sana supportahan nyo kami, and ang intention lang naman namin is maturuan yung public kung paano yung tamang construction tsaka yung mga dapat at hindi dapat gawin para sa pagsisimula ng mga dream natin ng mga bahay or struktura. So, this is Architect Joseph Salvador, and see you on our next vlog.